Alright, let's begin the first Exercism C++ challenge called Lasagna. There are 4 tasks. Each task correlates to 4 separate functions that we have to complete. So for task 1, given the function oven time, we have to return the expected oven time, which is 40 minutes. This one's straightforward. We're going to return the integer 40 because that time never changes. And notice there are no parameters needed. Anytime you call it, it's always 40. Let's test it. Passed. So for task 2, let's go to the instructions. For the function remaining oven time, there's one parameter. We're going to calculate the remaining time in the oven based on the time that the lasagna has already been in there. So we know that the total time is 40, so we're going to call the first function. That's always 40. And then we're going to subtract it by this integer right here that they put in. Let's test it. And it passes because total time is 40, and if it's been in there for 20 minutes, then it should return 20 minutes because that's the remaining time. Now, the next one, function preparation time with parameter number of layers. We have to calculate and return the preparation time. That includes the number of layers. So let's go to the instructions. For this function, assume that each layer takes you 2 minutes to prepare. So we're going to take however many layers there are, number of layers. We're always going to times it by 2. So right here, if there are 2 layers, 2 times 2 should give you 4. So let's test it. 3 passed. Final task. Let's go to the instructions. So this function is called elapsed time. So the elapsed time calculates the total time spent on making the lasagna, including the prep time. So to calculate this, we have to call the prep time. And notice that it has the same argument. So that's what we're going to put into the function. And we have to add it to the actual minutes in oven, because both of those equals the total time. Final test. All tests complete.